It's 2:03 p.m. in apartment 4B. The tea is cold, the TV is loud, and Grandpa Joe is snoring so hard the furniture is vibrating.
My nerves! I thought this was my break time!
But wait, Grandpa isn't just snoring. He's got a stuffy nose, dry throat, and forgot to drink water again.
Time to save the snore beast!
She climbs onto Grandpa's armrest with a sprig of eucalyptus, a drop of honey, and a hydration reminder written on a grain of rice. Eucalyptus clears the nose. Honey soothes the throat. And Coco, she's the whispering hero behind the nap.
Smells like a spa in here.
Roach rescue complete.